So today I'm going to show you how to use text box in Microsoft Word. Very simple, very easy to do. Just have to go to Insert tab, then you come over here. You can see the text box option. You click on it. Then there are different options you can use depending on what you're trying to achieve with the in your document. You can just choose any one of them. Let's go for something like this. Let's go for this. So you can see you can just edit. Yeah. So that's just how to. And so you can also shift the text box to wherever you think you feel it should be. You can just tweak it down. So that's just how to add text box to your document on Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.